Good evening, James Braithwaite here again. How are you doing? It's a beautiful evening here in Timperley. Look, what's all this stuff? All the beautiful pink blossoms. And it's so still, it's untrue. I've got to do a bit of work on my rose tree there. That's been there a few years, but it's coming up okay. The Acer I put in for Sharon, that seems to be okay. But from the existing to the new, next to the semi-new, this was my, this here, the straggly thing, is my blackcurrant bush that I planted a couple of years back. Didn't seem to take, but now it seems to be getting there. But I bought this lavender shrub today from Costco, only about 11 quid, and I've sunk it in, watered it in, given it a good solid compact. It already smells really nice. Can't wait for it to start flowering. It'll be like crack cocaine to the pollinating bugs, and it will set my fruit trees off perfectly just over here. And of course I've sown the seeds of love. Well, put the sunflower seed in the bird feeder. I've been meaning to do that for a couple of weeks. And I've also scattered them across the ground here, so all the blackbirds and other birds can get them. So, all that remains for me to do is put my jugs away and let's go in and get changed, because I'm having a nice ruby tonight. So, signing off here, and I shall see you in the next one.